In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the crash log on Windows 11. If you've ever faced unexpected crashes or system instability, understanding how to access the crash logs can be a game changer. It's a straightforward process that can help you diagnose and eventually fix those pesky issues. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the R key. This handy shortcut opens the Run dialog box, a tool that provides a quick way to access various settings and features on your computer. Once you've got the Run dialog open, you'll want to type in the command perfmon/rl and press the Enter key. This command launches the Reliability Monitor, a powerful utility that provides insights into your system's stability. As the Reliability Monitor opens up, you'll be greeted with a timeline displaying the system's stability history. This layout provides a visual representation of how your system's been performing over time. It's like a diary for your computer, showing you the ups and downs and helping you pinpoint when things might have gone awry. As you scan through the timeline, look for days that are marked with a red X icon. These days indicate instances where your system encountered issues. Click on a day that has a red X and you'll uncover the events that contributed to the instability. The list you'll see includes various types of failures. Among the details you can explore are application failures, which point to software that didn't run as expected, and Windows failures, which usually suggest issues within the operating system itself. Hardware errors might also appear, highlighting potential problems with your computer's physical components. Lastly, you may find driver issues listed. Drivers are essential pieces of software that facilitate communication between your hardware and the operating system. What's particularly valuable about the Reliability Monitor is that it often provides a clearer and more user-friendly overview than the Event Viewer. While Event Viewer is a powerful tool in its own right, its advanced settings and log details can sometimes be overwhelming. In contrast, the Reliability Monitor offers an at-a-glance view of your system's behavior over time, making it easier to identify patterns or recurring issues. So, whether you're troubleshooting a current problem or simply looking to understand your system's past behavior, the Reliability Monitor is your go-to tool. Remember, understanding the source of your system's crashes is the first step towards solving them, and this process will make sure you're informed and ready to take action. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in navigating the crash logs on your Windows 11 system. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and good luck in keeping your system running smoothly.